Hey, what's up? This is Dirk from intelligentcryptocurrency.com. Now, if you want to know about cryptocurrencies, you want to learn how it all works, you want to know how the technology works, how to get involved, how to buy, how to sell, where to buy, how to store your cryptocurrencies, how to do research to find coins that have potential, and how to know which coins you shouldn't invest in, then you're in the right place. Additionally, if you already know the basics of cryptocurrencies, but you're looking for a place where you can get fresh information, you can get weekly and monthly updates, you can get research insights, you can get analysis of new projects, and you can have a community of cryptocurrency investors all around the world that you can interact with, that you can ask questions, that you can bounce ideas off, then you're in the right place. So before I hop over into my computer to share with you exactly what intelligent cryptocurrency is and what you can expect when you remember everything that's included in the membership, the education and the private community, let me tell you a little bit more about myself in case you do want to know. So just real quick. Okay, so my name is Dirk. I got started with cryptocurrencies back in about 2014. That's when I purchased my first Bitcoin. Okay. And I managed to buy some Bitcoin, actually quite a fair amount of it, in about 2015 in the low $200 per Bitcoin. Okay. Now that sounds pretty awesome, right? The problem is that Bitcoin, I held it for about a year and it wasn't doing much. I didn't understand much about the technology. I didn't really understand what was happening. I just managed to buy some early, and I kept it for about a year. It wasn't really doing anything. The price doubled and I sold for double my money. Now, that's pretty cool in terms of any investment if you can double your money. Yeah. But if I would have kept it till the peak of 2017, it would have been worth over $1 million. And I'd only spent about $10,000 buying it back in 2015. So obviously I learned a lot from that lesson. I've been creating content and sharing information and research and analysis about cryptocurrencies since early 2017. Okay, I witnessed the entire run up, the whole bull market, and the whole bust all the way down. And what I think is about to happen is I think we're going to get another cycle with another massive bull market that could quite potentially take the whole cryptocurrency market cap into the trillions of dollars, which could be a potential fortune if you are holding the right coins. Okay, so there is huge potential. It's an interesting space. Many giant corporations are talking about getting involved with blockchain and cryptocurrencies. Even governments and central banks around the world are actively working on testing prototypes of digital currencies as the central bank digital currency that the whole population is going to be using. So whatever happens, it seems like the whole of society and technology is moving towards this cryptocurrency space. And that is another one of these really big reasons why I believe we're going to get another huge bull market in cryptocurrencies, as well as the whole political climate, what's going on in the world, the uncertainty about the value of fiat currencies. Okay, so with all the central banks around the world printing up trillions of dollars, if we look at history, what has happened in the past, well, you can see what has happened to countries like Argentina, Venezuela, Zimbabwe. When the governments print a lot of money, the value of the purchasing power of the fiat currency drops. So that might be a really big catalyst why a lot of people, millions and millions, maybe tens of millions, maybe hundreds of millions of people, are going to start looking at cryptocurrencies and potentially purchasing crypto as some way of storing their savings rather than in a bank that can seize your money, right? They can take it away, they can freeze it, or in the fiat currency that's devaluing maybe by the month, by the week, maybe even by the day. Okay. So I personally believe there is a great, great future in cryptocurrencies. Either way, I think it's very, very interesting to learn more about it. So if you want to learn, if you want all the education about what crypto is, how it works, where to store it, where to buy it, how to do your own research, if you want to learn about technical analysis, trading, if you want fresh updates, all of that is included in Intelligent Cryptocurrency, as well as a premium members only community. So private chat groups where the members of Intelligent Cryptocurrency, based all around the world, interested in investing in crypto, real estate, stocks, and all that good stuff, you'll be able to have access to that. So what I want to do now is I'm going to hop over into my computer and I'm going to share with you exactly what's included in Intelligent Cryptocurrency when you choose to become a member and when you subscribe. So let's get straight into it.